Welcome back. In this video, let's look at a tip regarding loops. In loops, in certain scenarios, you might want to access the index of the element. How do you do that? That's what we would be looking at in this specific tip. Typically, let's say there is a numbers list 1, 4, 6, 3, whatever numbers you would want to have, it does not really matter, right? So for number in numbers, let's print number. What would happen? Yep, it just prints the number. But if you want to find the index of the specific element, so there might be certain scenarios where you would want to know, okay, which index is this specific element presented? And I would want to be able to see that in the loop. How do you do that in Python? The way you do that is by saying for enumerate of numbers. So enumerate of numbers is a method. So you just call it, and now you can get both the index and the number as well. So I'm saying index comma number, this is a tuple. So I'm accessing both of them. And now I can say print, and let's use a formatted string and say I want to print a index, and the number at that specific index is number. Cool. Now you can see that it prints 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 4, 6, 3, 4. Obviously, this would also work for strings as well. So let's say I have a string list, and let's say it contains the list of AEIOU. What does it create? Yes, it would actually contain all the vowel characters. And now if I loop around it, index comma vowel in enumerate of values, printf a formatted string comma index comma vowel. As simple as that, right? Nothing fancy in here. Aha, I got my method name wrong. It should have been print. You can see that it prints index as well as the specific element. This tip is useful when you want to have the index and use it for some purpose. This is how you get the index of the specific element inside a loop. Until the next tip, bye-bye.